What's up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning back into the channel. I am out here sort of in the middle of nowhere, and I thought I'd pull over and just talk to you guys about a few of the mods that I have on my Sportster 48. And really the biggest thing that I wanted to talk to you about is the headlight upgrade that I have on the bike. So let's get going. All right, so first things first, I did buy this flush mount gas cap from Harley Davidson. You know, I'm going for that slim bobber look. I really like how, you know, it just kind of tapers that profile, gives it that nice clean look. I have bought cheap flush mount fuel tank caps before, and they just never look quite as nice. It's gloss black, so it matches the gloss black on the tank. I also did a tank lift and wire tuck. You know, that's some pretty basic stuff. Really like how the bike is coming together. You're getting that nice profile, like right there. You know, you get that nice clean line. You get that nice triangle, right? I could probably clean it up a little bit more, but I also did a tank lift here, about 2 inches. Let's go over to the other side, because in order to do the wire tuck and all that, I had to relocate the coils. This was on Amazon. I bought it for about $70 or $80 or so, or I'll list the link in the description. One other cool thing that I have is a derby cover. That is from Trackerdie. I love this derby cover. It was pretty pricey. I think I spent $160 or so. That is an insane price for the derby cover, but just look at that graphic. Now the piece de resistance is the Baja Lights LP6. Take a look at that. If you all know anything about Baja Designs, they are like the top notch in terms of off-road lighting, off-road LED lighting. So you see a lot of these on Jeeps and trucks that go off-roading. I've seen a few of these on road glides and a few on some lowrider S's. So I figured, you know what, why not try my hands on a Sportster? I've never seen it on a Sportster. I didn't know if it would work or not, what kind of brackets I would need. But yeah, it seems to work. Looks really good. Let me turn it on for you guys here so you can see. There we go. Get the keys close. Super bright. And then here's the low beam. It also has an ambient mode, which I think will light up the logo, but it's just not compatible with the wiring that I have, because it comes with 4 wires and the Harley harnesses are 3. You know what? I don't really need the ambient mode. So I'm gonna walk you through what I had to do to get this on, because I know some of you guys will be interested. So essentially, you take the headlight bracket off, and I had to remove this bolt, this tree that was right here, that was holding on the headlight bucket. Had to remove that. You still want to keep the hardware because you're going to reuse that. And I basically stuck the Baja Designs bracket, as you can see here. I stuck the Baja Designs bracket, and I basically just bolted it on using the original hardware, and that actually worked. It's a little bit close. You can see the gap between the fork and the headlight is actually very, very close. So I don't know if I love that or not. It works for now. I might try a bracket that clips onto the forks to see if it'll push the headlight a little bit more forward, give me a little bit more space. And then I just used the original hardware from Baja Designs to mount the headlight to the bracket, to the Baja Designs bracket. You will need to do some wiring, because the Baja Designs headlight does not come with the wiring harness, so you will need to buy a wiring harness from them. And like I mentioned, the wiring harness is 4 wires. You can decide which one you want to eliminate. I decided to eliminate the ambient mode, so I just have the low beams and the high beams, and the 3rd wire is ground, right? So from those 3 wires, you basically want to either solder it onto a converter, like a 3-pin converter, goes into the original headlight harness, and then you either want to solder it onto this adapter, or you can use posi taps, or you can wrap the wires, but you will have to do some electrical work. But overall, it's not that hard. If you have done any wiring before, it's not really that intense. I will say I do need a flash or like a flicker eliminator to get the right load, because when I have it on the low beam setting, it flickers. So I need an anti-flicker module. It's a pretty basic plug-and-play harness that's going to be coming into the mail today, and I'll just plug those into that. You all let me know. Do you like it? Do you not like it? From the front, I think it looks really mean, really aggressive. But from the side, I don't like how it's so pushed into the forks. I want it coming out of the forks a little bit so it does actually look like I have a headlight bucket. All right, so those are all the mods that I have done so far on my Sportster 48. But yeah, I'm gonna head out of here. Thanks for tuning in. I'll have more videos coming soon your way, so stay tuned. But thanks for checking in, and until next time, I'll see you all later. Peace.